So Simone Khambata was interrogated for about nearly 5 hours today by the Narcotics Control Bureau. She's the only one who was questioned today, even though she wasn't the only one who was summoned. Remember, Rakul Preet Singh was also supposed to have been appearing today, but she didn't actually appear. So let me show you what the 7 big Narcotics Control Bureau questions to Simone today were. What links do you have to the Ria drug nexus? Question 2. Did you supply drugs to anyone? Question 3. Have you ever consumed drugs? Obviously, they were also presenting her with those chats that she had with Ria. Question 4. What drugs, if any, have you consumed? Question 5. What about your March 16th drug chats with Ria Chakravarti? Question 6. Were you in touch with any drug peddlers? And question 7. Which stars in your circle consume drugs? So, if you put all of these pieces together, you can see, viewer, that the Narcotics Control Bureau is expecting many of these people to name other people, and that's how this entire drug net actually widens. Ria allegedly named some, and now they're expecting these people to name others, and that's how it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. That's the hope, at least, as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned. We've got images just coming in now of Sara Ali Khan. She's just reached her residence. These are images coming in through ANI of Sara Ali Khan and her family reaching the family's residence in Mumbai. They arrived from Goa a short while ago, and as you can see, a huge media contingent tracking every step of this story as it develops. The media has been making efforts to get some of these stars to speak and take questions. It is entirely their prerogative, perhaps at this time not to answer, but there is a level of anger as well that stars only speak when it suits them and are not answering questions when their fans are hoping for them to break their silence over many of the questions being asked of them. But let me repeat, it is entirely their prerogative when they wish to speak. It's a free country. They have been summoned now by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and they will have to present themselves. They will not have the luxury of silence when they are questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But at this point, they are completely free not to. They are entitled to their privacy, but there is a huge amount of interest in their movements. Remember, these are stars with millions of fans and millions of followers. So when you think about these pictures, also think about the fact that they are role models. They are people who have millions of fans all across India and all across the world, and there is a great deal of interest in this investigation and their alleged involvement in whatever comes up. So how did Sara's name actually come up in this entire Narcotics Control Bureau report? Sara Ali Khan, of royal lineage, of legendary actors in her family, including Sharmila Tagore, who is her grandmother, Saif Ali Khan, who is her father, very illustrious family. Amrita Singh is her mother, who you can see accompanying her in these images. How did her name emerge in this entire controversy and this investigation? Here's everything you need to know so far. Remember, she presents herself for questioning this Saturday. Sushant Singh Rajput, co-star in the film Kedarnath. The two allegedly smoked marijuana on the sets of the film. Sushant's girlfriend Ria Chakravarti had said in a statement to the Narcotics Control Bureau. Sara, the daughter of Saif Ali Khan, from his first marriage with Amrita Singh, is all set to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau on Saturday. Sara was in Goa shooting for a film when the Narcotics Control Bureau issued the summons. On Thursday afternoon, she was spotted with her mother Amrita at the Goa airport. The investigation against Sara is mainly based on Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Ria Chakravarti's statement to the Narcos. She claimed that it was during the shooting of Kedarnath that Sushant took very high doses of drugs along with Sara. Ria, in her interview to India Today, had first revealed Sushant's drug use on the sets of Kedarnath.
It's unfortunate कि किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद हमें उनकी वाइसेस को ऐसे एक्सप्लॉइट करना होता है, पर अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. यस, सुशांत यूज्ड टू स्मोक मैरिजुआना, और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे. मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे. इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये.
Sara was also named in testimony of the boatman at Sushant's Pavana Lake House. The boatman identified Sara as a visitor to many of Sushant's parties. He claimed drugs and alcohol were consumed at these parties hosted by Sushant and attended by Sara. With the Bollywood drug scandal getting murkier, the question remains if the Narcotics Control Bureau can collect enough evidence to book Sara and the others. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.